South Africans are in their feelings after a video of Thobeka Majozi, Caspanyove's baby mama, set the internet on fire. And the now viral clip, Thobeka is seen standing by a waterfall overcome with emotion, praying and speaking in tongues. No filters, no makeup moment, just raw and heavy. Some people saw a woman breaking before God, a mother carrying pain, trauma, and unanswered prayers. Many praise her bravery, saying healing isn't always pretty and faith doesn't come with a script. But not everyone was moved. Others questioned why such an intimate spiritual moment was recorded and shared. Was it genuine healing or content for the timeline? And just like that, the comment section turned into a full-blown debate about faith, vulnerability, and social media. One thing most people agree on, pain looks different on everyone, and public figures, especially women, are rarely allowed to hurt in peace. Thobeka hasn't said a word, but her prayer by the waterfall has already spoken volumes.